Wind is blowing and the leaves are just blowing along with it. It's not struggling. This is the state of ease. Did you know that the law of attraction works best with another law called the law of least resistance? That means no stress, no anxiety, no fear, no frustration, just pure peace in your mind, in your body, and in your emotions. Today I'm going to share with you a very beautiful magical technique to bring you into that state of least resistance. Hello and welcome. My name is Kartika Nair and you're watching Synchro Shakti. Taking a lot of stress, getting anxious, having a lot of fears, getting agitated, getting disappointed can basically make the manifestation journey a lot more bumpy because each of these vibrations is a creative force. So you may be holding a positive vibration, but then when you react with disappointment and anger and fear, these creative forces get in the way of what you're creating as well. So next time you start feeling fearful or you're feeling disappointed or you're almost giving up, here is what you're going to do. Always remember, I'm going to give you the technique now. Always remember one thing. The more ease I bring into my mind, into my emotions and into my body, the more I'm in the state of receiving beautiful things in my life. The more I bring tension, that is a lack of ease, okay? That means resistance in my mind, in my emotions and in my body, the more I stand in the way. It's like the river is flowing and you're getting in the way and it keeps getting bumpy. So how do I bring myself into ease? Here we're going to do a technique. So follow with me. So here's the technique. You're going to take 3 fingers. So these 3 fingers. So take it up in front of the camera now. Okay. Now you're going to place that over here where your heart is. Place the 3 fingers there. Good. Now take a deep breath into that place where you're holding the fingers. So take a deep breath in. Slow, very slow exhale. One more time, inhale. Super slow exhale. One more time, inhale. Super slow exhale. And now do the following affirmation. I am loved. I am safe. I am supported. Okay, so as you're breathing in, actually I'll show you the other side feels they keep going on. So let's do that one more time. Fingers together in the heart. I am safe. I am loved. You can change the order. I am supported. There's a bit of resistance that came initially the first time I tried this. So here is the second one you can try. So one more time. 3 fingers in the heart. Okay, I'll give you one more affirmation. Take a deep breath in. Slow exhale. Okay. I allow what? I allow miracles to come into my life. I surrender. I surrender what? I surrender the control and the thoughts and the negativity. I just let all that go. So I surrender and I let go. I allow, I surrender, I let go. So this is the second one. Now you can, and this is totally up to you, but you can create one of your own, whichever you want. You can put I am loved, I am protected, I am guided, I am enjoying, I am in the present moment, I am at ease, I am whatever affirmation you want to use. 3 of them, you can create it. Put your fingers on your heart, deep breath, and as you're exhaling, you can say that particular affirmation, or as you're inhaling, you can say that particular affirmation. Now there's one more thing I wanted to share with you. There is a song by Catherine Drucker. The song is called I Allow, I Surrender. Now I cannot put the song right now here because of copyright, but I'll link the song in the description. That song, now she doesn't know me, I'm not promoting, by the way. Just look at the flowers. Wow. I just want to share my experience with you guys, so I hope it's okay that I'm just cutting off and just sharing nature and feels this absolutely no human being nowhere. Anyway, so the song by Catherine Drucker, I listen to that song every time I want to get into a state of surrender or a state of ease. I will link it in the description. Go listen to that song, meditate to that song. It will really put you in a state of ease. Karen doesn't know me. I just listen to all her music. I play her music in wherever we have free classes. I put her music there just to get people into a state of receiving and being in a state of grace. And just look at this. Do you see that? In the middle of nowhere. This is what it looks like to be. Amazing. Comment below, what are you planning to say? Are you planning to say, I am loved, I am safe, I am supported? Or are you, so comment below. If that's what you're going to say, comment that below. If you're going to say, I allow, I surrender, I let go, if that's what you're going to say, comment that below. If you're going to create your own version, please let us know what you're going to create. Gonna end here. If you're gonna create your own version, please let me know, and then just comment that below which version you're going to create so we can learn from you as well. Please let me know, what did you learn from this video? Just a little recap again. The more ease I bring in my mind. If you look at nature, wind is blowing and the leaves are just blowing along with it. It's not struggling. This is the state of ease. So be like nature, be like water. I think that was Bruce Lee said that, be like water. So the more I can bring ease to my mind, to my body and to my emotions, the more I can receive miracles. The more I am putting resistance. What is resistance? When I'm thinking, feeling, behaving in a way that doesn't feel very good to me. The more resistance. Is that a person? That's a person. Is that another human being? Oh my God, I finally see another human being. I'm going to turn around now. So that's it, guys. Thank you so much for joining me in this video. I hope you liked it. And just a little, I'm going to go exploring the fields on this side there. So you can see that little yellow. I'm going to go find out what's there. And I'll just leave with a little bit of nature sounds. Let's listen. Okay guys, thank you so much for watching. I love you all and namaste. Just look at this tree.